In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image for free without using Photoshop or any complicated tools like Photoshop. But before we get started, on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and without any fluff. So if you could please take a moment to hit that subscribe button below this video, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. So you're going to go to Google and just type in background remover, and the website you're looking for is called remove.bg. Okay, so once you come over to remove.bg, you're going to go to upload image, and you're going to go look for the image from your desktop. So I'm going to grab, let's say we're going to grab this one here, this girl here, and it's going to start working its magic for us without ever needing any Photoshop or anything like that. Photoshop is quite expensive, and it is a bit techy, it's not going to be very easy to use. So here we have it done. The background is now removed and it has a transparent background, so you can see that the girl is there now. And then we're going to just go to download. Now if you want to download in HD, you do have to log in. And I think there is a small fee, but we don't need it because this is high quality enough for us. So let's just click on download, and that's it. We have now removed the background from this image, and we can do this for as many images as we want, totally for free with this website. If you do want to do in HD, there is a small fee, but downloading in non-HD format is perfect for all that we need it for. Now here's a little way that you can make money with this. So if you come over to the website Fiverr.com, you can see there's a ton of people selling this and making money with this on Fiverr. So this person here says, I will remove the background of an image for $6. She's had 427 4.9 star reviews. So she's had a ton of reviews. That means she's probably made, maybe up to 5,000 sales, because maybe 1 in 10 people might leave a review. So up to 5,000 sales at €6 a pop. So you could mirror or mimic her gig here and offer this as a service on Fiverr to make money with this method. And then all you need to do is come over to remove.bg and deliver it to the customer once the order is ready to go. So that's a cool little way that you can do this for yourself to remove the images, but a cool little way that you can actually also make money with this. That's it for this video, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out, and I'll see you inside the next video.